data analytics is not all about memorizing functions or formulas. It's about answering questions with data. For example, why are sales dropping in July? Which particular product makes the highest revenue? That mindset is actually the foundation. If you're just getting started as a data analyst, so you don't need to actually learn Python or R. They might actually look very complex, at the start. So to make it easy to learn, you just have to learn a soft tool first, like Microsoft Excel. So even though if Microsoft Excel had been existing for years, it is still one of the top tools in every industry up till today, right? So start with Microsoft Excel, learn what Excel understands, learn Excel functions and formula, learn pivot table, learn Power Query, learn pivot charts, learn visualization, how to create reports and dashboard inside Microsoft Excel. And if you want to top it up, learn DAX. That would definitely make our second tool to be very easy to learn, which is Power BI. Power BI is from the same company, which is Microsoft. So learning Power BI right now, it will be very easy for you because you've learned about DAX in Excel, you've learned about pivot table, you've learned about, Power Query for cleaning and transforming data. This is going to make everything very easy for you inside Power BI. So pick up Power BI as a second tool. Maybe after Power BI, if you want to still learn a different tool, it might actually be Tableau. Tableau is cool. It's for visualization. You can actually go with Tableau. And my other tool that I'm going to recommend to you is SQL, which is SQL for data retrieving from databases. So this is a language you use to actually talk to data from databases. Those are the, tools you should actually learn if you're just getting started. Take it a step, at a time. Don't rush it. Don't learn too many tools at a time. You just have to master one before you pick another. I hope this is something that you are going to actually work on. It's very important. Take it from the gradual process. Don't pick the most, complex tool. No tool is complex if you know how to learn it. So it's all about you starting from a very soft tool like Microsoft Excel. During your learning process, don't just watch tutorials. Learn by doing. You have to create. So download free data sets from online like Kaggle, Living Analytics, or government open source data. Create small projects. A sales dashboard would be cool, a customer churn analysis, or even your personal expenses tracker. That is how the knowledge gets to stick. It's very important. Don't just watch videos from YouTube, buy courses and watch them like a movie. You have to create as you watch and get a new data set and apply the same exact thing you have actually learned on that particular data that you have gotten. This is absolutely very important to master any tools and to become a successful data analyst. Instead of learning everything randomly, focus on some key projects that you can show on your portfolio. For example, build a dashboard showing revenue growth. Analyze customer data to find patterns. Create a Power BI or Excel project that solves a real problem. Project will speak louder than certificate. I always emphasize this every single time. I don't always go after certificate. I go after knowledge. That is what you should go after. Try to make sure you actually evaluate the time you have every single day and see how much time will you allot to this particular skill every day. Stay consistent and make sure you create projects. Be somebody who is some kind of industry specific. Pick like 3 to 4 industries and create your projects around them. You can use Excel, you can use Power BI, or you can use any other tools you feel very much comfortable with. So make sure you create projects that you would definitely add to your portfolio. If you want to learn fast and you want to master any tools, you just have to learn how to teach others. So this time around, you don't have to start looking for people to teach. You can actually create some short videos and post it on LinkedIn. So post some videos on YouTube. Try as much as you could to give back to learning community. So by doing that, you actually challenge yourself to create something very interesting, something very insightful. You actually apply your skills into it and show it to others. So if you have any person, around you that want to learn about Microsoft Excel, teach the person. That will definitely make all the functions and formulas and other tricks you have actually mastered stick with you forever. So try as much as you could to teach others what you have learned. So if you've gotten a particular job already and you're actually working as a data analyst, so teach others in your company or in your organization how to use Excel, how to use Power BI to retain all this particular knowledge you have gathered over some couple of months that you've started your career as a data analyst or over the year. With this right now, I believe you know what data analytics is all about and how to get started. You have to start with a very soft tool like Microsoft Excel and gradually go into a very little complex tool like Power BI. Then if you want to go into a different company's tool, you can actually choose, Python, R, or Tableau and all of that. So don't forget that for you to master anything, you have to learn how to teach others. It's very important. You don't have to look for people to teach. You just have to create some videos using your laptop, do screen recording, and share it on different platforms. With that, you can actually start, getting traction. People start believing in you. If you're just getting started, come to Excel. My YouTube channel will definitely help you to learn anything you want to learn about Microsoft Excel and Power BI. Talk about visualization, creating beautiful dashboards, interactive, dynamic, beautiful. This channel has it. So all you have to do is to subscribe and actually stick to this particular channel to master anything that has to do with dashboards or reports. You're welcome.